Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with a signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.